Today's podcast is brought to you by Quantrix Modeler Introductory Training, teaching the fundamental foundation that you need to become a Quantrix master. Go to quantrixauthority.com to learn more.
Show me how you do Quantrix.
Hey, welcome back to another Netcast. I'm Rich Lopez, Quantrix Authority. Sincerely appreciate you joining me today for episode number 219, Comments in a Formula, Shortcut Keys. I have here a model that I've been working on for a little bit at my day job. It does some pretty amazing stuff. And herein, this model is a nested if statement, so a multiple if statement. And what I'm doing is I'm going out and I'm saying if, there's a certain combination of a part and an asset, go ahead and give me the run rate for that. If there's not, then go ahead and find me a similar machine, part, asset, run rate. And if I can't find that, then go ahead and find me the asset average run rate. So multiple if statements here. Well, as I'm stepping through this formula, maybe I'm running into something that doesn't look quite right and I want to maybe debug it. How can I do that in Quantrix, and how can I do that quickly? Well, you can do that by formatting or by commenting out certain parts of your formula and evaluating them to make sure they work, and then adding them back into the formula. And a quick way that you can do this now in Quantrix, instead of having to go in and select every line and hit double whack to comment them out, I simply go in and I make the selection of what I want to comment out. So I'm going to comment out this middle if statement right here. And what you do is you hit Control /. When I hit Control /, as you can see, it has inserted for each of the lines a double forward whack. Okay? So a double forward whack right there and right there. And what that does is it comments out the formula. If I wanted to undo that and bring that back in, I can just go ahead and hit Control /, and you can see that it has removed those comment bars or those forward whacks from my formula and made that part of my formula uncommented and therefore live again. So that's using the great shortcut keys of Control /. And that's new in the latest release of Quantrix that just came out here a few days ago. So I encourage you to download that if you haven't, and put that one in the back of your memory when you're writing formulas. If you want to insert a comment, or you want to comment out a piece of formula and kind of step through it and do some debugging, go ahead and use the Control + forward whack or / key, and it should work beautifully for you. Anyway, props to the Quantrix team for developing that type of functionality. I absolutely love Quantrix. I really do, and I want to make you a Quantrix master. So I hope that you'll reach out to me, ask me any questions you may have about Quantrix. I am just dying to answer your questions and to help you become a Quantrix master. So please join me again for another episode of Quantrix Authority with Rich Lopez.